Welcome to the first station where you have the opportunity to take the full end of the year practice test for your grade level. Materials that you will want to have are laptop, paper and writing utensils. If you like to keep your answers in just a regular notebook, you can go ahead and do so. If you want a template in which to record your answers as you go, they are available at the back of the room. It is important to write down all your answers just because most of the time answers aren't saved to give you a grade or to show you how well you did. So you'll want to have your answers recorded somewhere so that you can check it with the answer key at the end or as you complete each problem. One of the reasons why it's important to really take the time to think through each question is to start thinking about differences in the way questions are asked for the PARCC versus the OAA. This is the end of the year practice assessment, so if you remember, there's 3 different types of questions we will find on the PARCC. These will all be type 1 questions, but they will be various point levels. So it will be interesting once we get more sample items for the PBA. This is just EOA practice test items. The first thing that you're going to do is go to www.parcconline.org. If the www doesn't work, just go ahead and put in parcconline.org. That should work. If for some reason we lose our internet connection and we aren't able to take this online, I do have a paper copy in your packet that you can use for future use, but I do hope that we can take this online because you will be able to see how to use the equation editors and the drop-down menus and all the technological functions like that. So again, join me at parcconline.org. These are the instructions that you'll need to use to get to the actual practice test. In the PARCC Online page, you will see in the top header, the horizontal tabs, that it says PARCC Assessment. Go ahead and press that. Then when you get done with PARCC Assessment, you will click Practice Tests in the upper left-hand corner. Then PARCC Practice Tests again towards the middle of the page, which is going to bring up a whole nother screen. Practice Tests again, Mathematics. Scroll down and you can take the appropriate 6th grade practice test. You'll click the blue icon in order to get started. Again, as you take this test, try to answer the following questions. How is it different than the OAA? What do students need to know to be successful? How is PARCC's interpretation of the standard different than your own? How might using tape diagrams be a good problem-solving strategy during this test? How must you change your instruction? Once you are finished taking the test and going through these questions, we would like you to please move to Station 2. So just to recap, make sure that you write your answers down somewhere so that you can go back and check them against the answer key at the end. PARCC, so far in my experience, has not kept my answers. If you want a template, you can find them at the back of the room. Otherwise, you can just write your answers in a journal or something like that. And the other thing is we do have several stations to get through. If you, I'd really like to see everyone get at least through Station 3, so try to keep an eye on the clock and work on getting this done in an hour, so that you can get through as much as you can during the afternoon. Upon completing this station, you will move to station 2. You can again access the video through Google Drive. Go ahead and watch the video and it will give you further instructions.